In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if Do Not Disturb mode doesn't work on your iPhone device. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first let me show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode, because maybe you don't. So first make a swipe from top right corner to open up Control Center, and there hit on focus to enable Do Not Disturb mode. Now you see that mode is enabled. Also you can hold on focus to bring up the list of your focus modes, and here hit on Do Not Disturb. So now let me show you what to do if it's still not working for you. You can hit there on three dots icon and there hit on settings. So now we are on Do Not Disturb focus mode settings, and there you need to check all that options, because for example maybe you just added some people here. You can add people by typing on plus like that, and maybe you add there some people so you may get notifications and calls while you are on disturb mode from that specific people. So get into this option and delete that people from here. Also you probably might add here some apps or change some options. Now by default all of that options are turned off. And also here you can check another option like turn on automatically and focus filters, but most of the time the problem is in that two options. So guys, that's how it works. Make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe.